In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace objects in an image in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap an object in one photo with something from another using OpenArt's built-in tools and references. Start on the OpenArt homepage and move your cursor over the image section so the image options become visible. Click on Image to open the workspace, then choose Create Image to start a new project. At the top of the creation page, you'll see a switch that lets you pick a model or character. Use that switch and select Cling. This model is great for image-to-image edits and understands reference relationships really well. Next, head to the image reference area. Upload at least 2 images, your main photo, which is the one you want to change, and a second image that contains the object you want to bring in. For best results, choose references that match the angle and lighting of your main photo, and keep them as clear as possible within the platform's size limits. Now, in the prompt box, write a clear instruction about what you want to replace. You can tag the images you just uploaded by typing the @ symbol and selecting the tags that appear, like add image 1 or add image 2. This tells the model exactly which photo is which. For example, you might write, replace the guitar in add image 1 with add image 2. When the tag suggestions pop up, click the correct ones so the system locks onto the right references. Be specific about the object and context, and keep the rest of the scene consistent unless you want changes elsewhere. Open Output Settings to fine-tune your result. Choose an aspect ratio that matches your main image to avoid unwanted cropping. Then set the resolution to 1K if you want faster results, or 2K if you prefer higher detail and can wait a bit longer. You can also adjust how many images to generate at once. Starting with a few variations is helpful when you're exploring different looks. When everything is set, click Create. Give it a moment to process and then preview your results. Look closely at edges, shadows, reflections, and how the new object blends with the scene. If something feels off, refine your prompt to be more precise about size, placement, or style, and confirm your image tags again before generating another round. That's it. You've just replaced an object in an image using OpenArt, Cling, and reference tagging for precise control.